Hi, Mama Tina. Happy birthday. This is just a short video. Mga musta lang good. And I hope makahinomdom ka pa na ako. One of these days, makauli gigug Davao para magkita-kita pod mi ni Grace. I just want to drop this short message and wish you lots of blessings, great health, and many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday! Gimingaw na baya ko ninyo. Okay, enjoy and have a great celebration.
Hi, Te! Happy 75th birthday! Si Auntie Tina is workaholic, pero ayaw kay palabi because you're not getting any younger. We pray for your happiness.
Wish you the best of health.
May you have more cakes to slice and candles to blow.
And hope your day is filled with lots of love and laughter. May all your birthday wishes come true. Happy birthday, Te.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Auntie!
Surprise! Hi, Auntie Tina. Si Inday Hazel Marangini. Abila na ko karon. Imong pagumangkon, I hope you still remember me. I hope you have a great time on your birthday, and I wish you more healthy blessed years to come, so we can come and visit you when we get to go to the Philippines for our vacation.
Si Anthony, Auntie Tina, husband ni Inday Hazel, my wish for you is more joyful years.
Hi, Grandma Tina. This is Dara, the oldest child. My birthday wish for you is for more peaceful years.
Hi, Grandma Tina. This is Hunter, the middle child. I'm the basketball player in the family. My wish for you is more love throughout the years to come.
Hi, Grandma Tina. This is Haley, the youngest and the volleyball player in the family. My wish for you is more prosperous years to come.
Hi, Lola Tina. My name is Jeffrey and I'm Dara's boyfriend, and my wish for you is happiness and love and good luck to the years to come.
Happy 75th birthday! We love you from the Avila family.
Bye. Bye.
Hi everyone! Hi Auntie Tina! This is Sweet Sweet. Happy birthday! Kamusta sa tanan? What I can remember about Auntie was her preserves and the achara and the ube. Those are the things I'm proud of. And makainumdum ko sa iyang mga jars before. Every time mo adto kog Davao, naanagid may certain jars na ipadala sa amua all the time. And that's what I'm proud of. She's the best cook. So I wish you, Auntie Tina, I wish you good health and many more blessings to come. Oh, and by the way, I'd like to introduce Boozer, our dog, and this is William, my husband. Say hi.
Tina, happy birthday.
Alright, I hope to see you guys soon. We love you. Bye!
Happy birthday po sa inyo, Mama Tina. Sana po lagi kayong healthy at happy sa mga apo nyo dyan. At saka, maging masaya po kayo palagi, malakas sa pangangatawan. At sana po kumain kayo ng marami para kayo maging malakas palagi. Yun lang po, happy 75th birthday. God bless.
Mare, kumusta po kayo dyan? Happy New Year po. At saka, happy birthday sa inyo.
Happy birthday din po sa akin.
Kailan ba ang birthday nila ngayon?
Dahil
27.
isang araw lang po ang diferensya natin.
Ay, sino yun? Ano ba yun?
Sana po, umaba pang buhay natin. Umabot tayong mga 90 anyos man lang. Pwede na sa atin yun. Kailangan po, lagi kayong masaya. Tulad namin ng kumari nyo, lagi po kaming masaya.
Hindi po. Lagi po nag-aaway.
Kahit po nag-aaway, masaya pa rin. Sige po. Si kumari naman magsasalita.
Ay, kumare. Happy birthday po. Ilan taon na ba kayo?
75 po.
75, para ito kami ni Dan.
77 ako.
78 ka na.
Matanda na tayo. Ano po, kumare? 77 na po ako eh. Okay naman tayo. Kahit na may edad na. Sana po magkita tayo. Kailan kayo pupunta dito? Mamasyal tayo pagpunta nyo dito. Kahit na magkaligaw-ligaw tayo.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hello, Nantin. Happy birthday. How young are you?
Kinsa man ka?
Si Boy ni.
Col Manuel.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday Nantina.
Kinsa man ka?
Si Manuel.
Hello.
Happy birthday. Tina.
Hello. Happy birthday, friend. Ilan mong edad karon si Inday ni.
Happy birthday Ten. Si Manuel ni, si Frido ni. Frido.
Happy
Birthday
to
you. Happy
birthday
to
you.
Happy
Day.
Happy
Day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Ma, pasensya na, hindi kami makakapunta sa birthday mo. So yan, nag-greet lang kami using this video. I'm sure magiging masaya ang birthday mo. Kasama mo sila ate, tsaka si kuya, tsaka yung mga bata. Siguro pag lumabas na si Hope, ang inyong susunod na apo, makakapasyal na kami dyan at mamimit mo na siya. So, happy birthday, ma!
Hello po, love. Alam niyo po, naaalala ko pa rin po yung ginagawa niyo po kami lahat dyan ng mango jam. Miss na miss ko na po yun. O, naaalala ko pa po yung lasa. Tsaka salamat din po dun sa mga times na magkasama po tayo, mga pinsan-pinsan po. Tapos kasama po kami kayo, tsaka ni Lolo. Tsaka ang saya-saya po ng mga oras na yun. Sana nga po nandyan po kami, pero sige lang po. Happy birthday pa rin po la, diba? Happy 75th birthday. Love you po.
Ma, gusto kayo na makanha diha, pero sa tuman dako na kaya kung tiyan mo. Hapit naman gud mo gawas ba? Pero pohon karong December magkita-kita lagi ta, makita nimo ning next nimo apo nimo. Di ba? So dugang sa pamilya. Gikan sa among tulo.
Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ma!
75th birthday nga pala. Bye-bye!